Hi guys, so I just received a package just now and I have no idea what it is. I don't know, I didn't get an email. It's just popped up and it is delivered via UPS. So I am going to open it and I'm going to share you guys what I got. So let's open it. What could it be? So it doesn't have like a note in it. So this is what they sent me. It's an Ozark Trail 14 ounce vacuum insulated stainless steel wine glass. Wow! I love insulated glass, guys. I also have like stainless steel insulated coffee mug, and that's the one that I'm using every time I drink wine because the wine stays cold. So I love this. This is definitely gonna be my wine glass for now. So this is double wall vacuum insulation, keeps drink cold or hot. Sweat free design, durable and rust proof, BPA free, top rack dishwasher safe. So this is it. I remember I have one coming from Home Tester Club, so maybe this is it. It doesn't have a note, but well, eventually they will going to send me an update and a product survey review for this. So yeah, I love it. So there you have it, guys. It's just quick and easy unboxing. So thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye.